In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Google Slides presentation. Whether you want to add some background music to set the tone or include an audio track for a more engaging presentation, I'll guide you through this process step by step. The great thing about Google Slides is that it allows you to incorporate audio directly into your presentation, making your slides more dynamic and interactive. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, look up to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see a grid of small squares. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, showing you all the various Google services available. In this drop-down menu, you'll need to find and click on Slides. Google Slides is the tool you'll be using to create and edit your presentation. Once you click on Slides, you will be taken to your Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are listed. From here, you'll want to start a new presentation. To do this, click on the Blank Presentation option. This will open up a new blank slides deck for you to begin working on. Alternatively, if you already have a presentation that you're working on, you can open that one instead. Next, look towards the top of your screen for the Insert tab and click on it. This tab will open a menu that gives you various options to add elements to your slides, including images, text boxes, and more. In this menu, you'll see the option for audio. Click on audio and a window will pop up, prompting you to select an audio file. You can either drag and drop your audio file into this window or browse your files manually to find and select the audio track you want to use. Once you've selected your audio file, click Insert. The file will be added to your presentation. A small icon will appear on your slide, indicating the presence of your audio file. You can click on this icon if you wish to listen to the audio, or you can adjust its position if needed. Now that you've successfully added music to your Google Slides presentation, you can customize how the audio will play during your presentation. Click on the audio icon and a side panel will open with options to adjust playback settings such as volume, looping, and whether the audio should start playing automatically or when clicked. And there you have it. You can now enhance your presentations with carefully selected audio tracks, making your slideshows more engaging and effective. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.